Alright, so these are called word sorts. So there's 3 columns here, and they're each a different category. So you want to read the 3 categories for me?
Hollow, equipment, and cave.
Good job. So what I have for you is these words that are all mixed up, and what I need you to do is these words belong in a category, but they belong in different ways. So it's your job to figure out how they belong in those categories and which categories they belong in. Okay?
Okay.
So let's see here. So go ahead and I'll help you out if you need it.
I can't get that one up.
Here, I'll help you flip them over.
Pumpkin.
Yeah. Some more room. Okay.
Okay, boots. Wait, sorry. Whale.
So whale. Is it similar to something that's hollow?
No.
Is it a type of equipment?
No.
Does it sound like hollow?
Kind of.
Maybe. Does it sound like equipment?
No.
So what about cave?
Yes.
How does it sound like cave?
It doesn't sound like it, but it's, in here it said that they look for stuff from the sea.
That's a good guess.
So, in the cave.
Maybe. You want to put that one aside and we'll come back to it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try a different one.
Face.
So how does that one belong?
It could be a face mask for equipment.
Maybe. Does it sound like any of these words? Is it spelt like any of them? What about whale? Does it sound like whale or look like whale? Say them out loud.
Face and whale.
We'll come back to those ones too.
Ape. Face. Ape. They have the same A sound.
Do they?
Yeah.
Tell me more about that.
Face and ape are both long A.
Okay, so you found a similarity.
Yeah.
Does it match? What about whale?
Whale. Yeah.
Hey, look
Same
at that.
A sound.
So you found some similarities. Nice job. So do you think based off those 3, can you think of a category maybe that they fit in now?
Cave.
How is it similar to cave?
They all have the same A sound.
Hey, nice job.
Plate. I know where that goes.
Okay.
Rain goes there because it's got the same A sound.
Nice job.
Cave goes there.
Well, cave is already one of our...
Cave,
Maybe.
Acorn.
Yeah? Does that work?
Yeah.
So look at that. We got one category filled. Nice job. So tell me one more time how those words are similar to cave.
They all have the same A sound.
And what type of sound was that?
A.
Which is, yes, nice job. All right, so let's figure out our other categories here.
Headlamp, boots, harness, rope, helmet, all go in the same category.
Which category do they go in?
Equipment.
Why do they go in equipment?
Because all of them are related to equipment that you can put on.
That you put on to do what?
Go either rock climbing or going in a cave.
Okay, nice job.
Headlamp, boots, harness. Okay.
Ooh, so there's maybe one more.
Carboneer.
Do you know what word that is?
I don't know.
Here, we can sound it out.
I know it's
Did they talk about it in the book at all? Here, let's look back to our cave exploration page, which is on the next page there. So where's the equipment section?
right there.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Nice job.
These are all hollow.
Are they?
Yeah. A barrel is hollow. A pipe is hollow. A pumpkin can be hollow.
Can be hollow.
A box can be hollow. A drum is hollow.
And
And a cave
a
can be hollow.
cave is hollow. Nice job, Shelby.
Okay. There.
Nice job. So let's talk about our categories one more time. So this one is,
Hollow,
yep. And these all relate to hollow.
because they're empty. And a tree can be hollow.
Yeah, it can be. Maybe if it's like rotten, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, next category is,
Equipment.
and how do they relate, these ones relate to equipment?
Because you can either put them on or you can use them for rock climbing or going in a cave.
Yep. And our last one,
Cave.
and how do those words relate to cave?
Because they all have the same A sound.
Nice job. So the other question I have for you is, how do these words relate to each other? So you notice that they all kind of fit together. They all have similarities, right? They may not sound the same or look the same,
But
but they
relate to each other.
absolutely. So how do these three categories relate to what we just read today? And you kind of talked about it already, but
Hollow is for a cave because caves can be hollow. And
Yeah.
And equipment you use for a cave or rock climbing. And cave, of course, you go in it and you search and stuff.
there you go. Nice job.